Hi guys, what's up? So I'm going to be showing you my fidget collection. So this is the first one. Oh. Oops. Oh, this is the first one. Okay. And I got this little fun little skateboard. And I have this little rainbow poppet. Then I have this little Christmas poppet. Then I have this little elephant poppet. Isn't it so cute? Oh, then I have this poppet. Isn't it cute? And then I have this poppet. Then I have this heart poppet. This deer poppet. This dimple. This this I forgot what it's called, but this is a little puzzle ball. I think it's called puzzle ball. Then I have a little squishy llama. Then I have this one. Then I have this cool little bracelet. Ah! Kitty! Hey! Stormy! Then I have this little poppet bracelet. Can you guys hear that? Then I have this little infinity cube. And then I have this little minion poppet thingy. Then I have this. Whoa! Ah! Ow, ow. What is she doing? What are you doing, kitty? Okay, then I have this. Then I have this little one. Then I have this one. Why can I not put this together? Okay, here we go. Then I got this one. Then I have this little squishy bouncy ball. Oh. Okay. Oh, whoops. And then I have this Mickey Mouse puppet. Ah! Jeez, kid. And then I have I have something, but I can't really put it together. This it fell apart, and I can't put it back together. But then, oh. Then I have this monkey noodle.